Your Excellency, the distinguished and performing Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, the leader of politics in Rivers State, who has broken all bounds reached before by other politicians. Former Governor of Rivers State, you are welcome to your home, Andoni. Our respected leaders who have accompanied our leader to Andoni, I welcome all of you. For want of time, I don't want to repeat, the courtesy is already extended, but I welcome you very sincerely. People will wonder why Andoni people have continued to queue behind this distinguished leader, Wike. But there are several reasons, and because I've not been chosen as one who will deliver all the messages as to why we love Chief Wike and why we are going to follow him, I will say a few of it. Our leader has shown excessive love for the people of Andoni, as never before shown by any governor of Rivers State. During his tenure, if you will recall, we had the office of Attorney General, we had the office of Speaker, we had the office of Head of Service, we had 2 special advisors at the time, and I was one of them. That during that period of his tenancy at the brick house, he elevated our son to the exalted position of PDP national chairman. It is only a man that loves you that can give you all of those goodies at the same time. Second, why we love Chief Prof.Mgbeke. He has de-escalated politics in Rivers State. He has decrypted it. Before, if you find yourself, if you are not a supreme leader, if you find yourself in government house and you're seen, you can be banished from meetings, from politics for 5 years. You won't get close. How did you get close to the governor? How did you get to see the governor? But today, we have several of our sons who can walk up to government house, who can walk up to our minister. And as our people say, the interpretation is that water does not come from one angle to cover the sand. It comes from different angles. So if I am going, a speaker is going, former attorney general is going, head of service is going, Ingarabara is going, all of us we are going, you will see that we will get one thing and we'll add it, it will be gathered before, is it not? And again, people want to talk about the Unity Road. I am someone that is in a position to talk about the Unity Road. Because when I was chairman, I am aware that our leader, Governor then, expended over 20 billion on that road. 20 billion, if you take it to Port Harcourt, you will get 3 flyovers. Some people who don't know the magnitude of that project say he didn't do anything in Andoni. But if you put it in Port Harcourt, he will have built 3 flyovers or several schools. That road is very, very important, and justifiably, he expended that money. He has also removed from our neck the albatross, incubus, or succubus, depending on which way you want to see it, that has impeded Andoni development. He has removed the elephant that blocked the completion of the Unity Road, and that is why that road was eventually completed. Your Excellency, I've been prompted for time, but we love you, and where you go, we will go. Tinubu is for President 2027. Thank you for coming to thank us.